Alright y'all, we gonna be making some carne asada fries and carne asada burritos, California style. This episode means a lot to me because our first episode ever was actually this. But it was our first episode, we ran out of battery. We didn't know what the fuck we were doing, y'all. But silly dilly, we back, we're gonna recreate it. Maybe one day we'll show you the cut scenes of that disaster. But we gonna make this bomb, you gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna take you to California, y'all, where we eat some nice carne asada fries and carne asada burritos. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so carne asada, gotta get the carne, AKA the meat. Get you some nice skirt steak. Usually comes in 2 fillets like that. Always the bottom fillet has a little bit of brown, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off all this fat. Not all of it, we're gonna take off the majority of it though. Let the knife do the work, just like Gordon Ramsay said, "Where is my lamb sauce?" There's no lamb sauce in this, y'all. None of it. Just some guacamole sauce. So like I said, we don't wanna take off all the fat, but we wanna take off the majority of it. Because for this recipe, it'll be kind of chewy. Especially skirt steak, it's not like a ribeye where the fat's gonna be buttery. They'll melt in your mouth, kind of chewy. So any place you see fat or silver skin, I'm gonna take that off. So like right here, see how that's shiny? Hear that? That's silver skin. Nobody likes silver skin, baby. Nobody. If you like it, you better fucking get off my page because that's gross. This is gonna take me a little bit of time, so we're gonna go ahead and cut. I'm gonna do all this meat. We have 2 packs, so about a total of 4 of these. Stay tuned, y'all, and I'll show you what the marinade looks like. All right, so we got our meat nice and trimmed. What we're gonna do, I love this garlic chili sauce. We're gonna put about 2 teaspoons of that. About a tablespoon of olive oil. That Worcestershire, put about 2 tablespoons of that, okay? Get you a handy dandy lime squeezer. Good for beer, good for food, and good for good citrus flavor, baby. We're gonna do 2 full limes. These are some juicy limes, baby. Juicy as hell. This will help break it down. Skirt steak is very good for fajitas, very good for carne asada, but skirt steak is a little bit tough, so that's why you gotta take off the silver skin and also the fat, but still a little bit chewy, so that's why you gotta put the lime. Some seasoned salt and lots of pepper. I got a really cool Mediterranean sea salt grinder. Gets really chunky, and I like chunky salt. Just like that, clean hand. I'm gonna go ahead and combine this together and let it marinate. Like I said, the lime will break down, make it a little bit more tender. And that's all she wrote, y'all. Let's get to them fries. All right, so we're gonna do our French fries. Go watch the lemon pepper episode if you wanna really see how to do them, but I'm gonna show you 1 potato. So you get 1 Idaho potato. Idaho, you the hoe, we all the hoes. Okay, and then we're gonna do about 1/2 inch, maybe 2/4, just like that. Cut down, Tatiana, yeah. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna go like this. And depending on how thick you want them, I kinda want them thin. Just go straight down. Careful with your knife, careful. And just like that, y'all, we got beautiful fries. They're not gonna be super even, but if you take your time just like that, they're gonna look like this, all right? So what we're gonna do, put them in a bowl. And we'll be back, y'all. We'll be back when we get all these fries cut up. We're gonna put them in some peanut oil. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. We got them fries. Nice and cut up. This is 4 Idaho potatoes, and this look like 37 potatoes. 37 of them. Just kidding, it's only 4. So, we're gonna go ahead and blanch these fries. Put in some nice hot peanut oil. We'll do 2 handfuls. Don't burn yourself. Oh my God, oh my God. Don't overcrowd your pan, all right? And I just did that. I put two big handfuls, so let's go with 1.5, all right? For this type of pan, as I clean my counter and clean the tortillas, I won't get copyrighted cause this is Dylan's song. All right, so now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna let these fries, they're gonna go for about 5 minutes till they get blonde, all right? Once they're blonde, we're gonna put them on a drying rack. And then we're gonna put the next batch in. And then we're gonna finally fry to get them nice and crispy, because we want crispy fries when we do carne asada fries. If you like soggy fries with the carne asada fries, then, like I said, stop watching, because that's gross. So 5 minutes, editing starts now. All right, so all our fries are blanched, so I threw in that first batch. And we're gonna let this go for about 10 minutes till it's nice and golden brown. Want these crispy, baby. Crispy, so when we put cheese, guacamole, and sour cream sauce, it's gonna hold up to all that. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna let that go for, like I said, 10 minutes, golden brown. Finish these fries off. We're gonna do that carne, baby. That carne asada. All right, so we look nice and golden brown. This is when they need to come out, y'all. And I promise, these are going to be crispier than a wheat then. We don't want them black, baby. We want them golden brown. Black means burn. Once they're out of the oil, get you your salt and crush that right on top. We're gonna finish these off, but that's how they should look. Finish them off. Don't overcrowd the pan. Remember that. All right, so we got our fries nice and done. What we're gonna do, we grilling these steaks, baby. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna let these go probably about 1.5 minutes, and then we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees, and then we're gonna flip them. So I'll show you all when we're gonna flip them. Get your limes ready too, because we baste them with limes. Excuse the all the leaves, it's fall time. All right, so we got our steak. It is perfectly done, but it isn't perfectly done without resting. So we're gonna get some tin foil. I'm gonna foil this up. I'm gonna let this rest for at least, keyword, 10 minutes. And I'm gonna show you how to make some guacamole sauce and some sour cream sauce. Let's get it. All right, so we're making a guacamole, but AKA a avocado sauce. So what we doing? We're getting 3 full avocados. We're gonna put them all in here. We're using a magic bullet. If you got a blender, that's fine. You don't got a blender or a magic bullet, and just use a bowl and a masher. If you got a masher, then don't know what to tell you, baby. Don't know what to tell you. If you want to see an in-depth way of how to make this and not spill it all over your counter, watch the panini episode. So now we got our avocados in there. We're gonna add in some garlic. We're doing 1 olive and garlic. I like garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't put that much in. I'm gonna do 1 shallot, 2 serranos, and a little bit of cilantro. You don't like cilantro, don't add it. A lot of people don't like cilantro, including Dalton. But moderation, baby, moderation. So, what I learned from last time, you gotta put the liquid last. 1 full lime. Okay. And this is Mexican crema. Last time I used sour cream, but this is a little more liquidy. We're gonna do 4 tablespoons of that. And I'm just gonna bring it over to the sink and do a shot of water. Just like that. It's time to blend, baby. Time to blend. All right, so we got our guac sauce nice and blended up. Check it out. By the end of it, it should be looking like this. I'm not gonna put you through it, but we're gonna get that into our squeeze bottle so we can squeeze on top of our fries and our burrito. So give me a few moments while I do that. All right, so we got our guac sauce complete. Now we gotta get our white sauce, so we're gonna get our crema. And this will be a lot easier to pour. Pour that inside. Probably do about half to save the rest because we're not gonna use that full amount. Then get a full lime. Carefully squeeze 1 lime into this bottle. And I'm just gonna put a little bit seasoned salt in this. Okay. Grab our lid and make sure that's on. Shake. Just like that, we got our 2 sauces. You know what time it is, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and cut our meat, and it's time to eat. I feel like Chili's right now with this hot skillet. Came out nice and sizzly. Try a bite of this Carne Asada burrito, California style. Look at that. It's still sizzling, baby. Cheers up. Super cheesy. With the oven, even if you don't like your meat medium like me, the oven will cook it. It's still a little bit of medium because I took it out. As long as it melts the cheese. Cheers up to the fries, baby. Very silly dilly style. This is a perfect carne asada meal. Try it out, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but I'm gonna finish this whole meal. Delicious, Super authentic. And very chili dilly. Tune into the next episode. Thank y'all. Love y'all. When you ate too much Taco Bell. That's how it looks.